Millions of carrots are harvested every year. But have you ever wondered what happens after they leave the farm? Inside this massive facility, thousands of tons of carrots are washed, sorted, cut, and transformed into the products you see in stores. Every day, thousands of tons of carrots enter facilities like this one. But what happens between the field and the supermarket shelf? Every day, inside this mega plant, an ordinary carrot goes through a surprisingly sophisticated journey. And it all starts immediately after harvest.
Modern carrot production begins with specialized harvesting machines working across enormous fields. The machines pull the carrots from the ground and transfer them directly into collection systems.
From there, the harvest is transported as quickly as possible to the processing facility. At the plant, the first step is receiving and inspecting the raw harvest. Operators check the incoming carrots for quality, size, freshness, and visible defects. Before processing begins, unwanted field material has to be removed. Then comes one of the most important stages: industrial washing. Rotating drums and powerful water systems remove soil and other particles from the surface.
After washing, the carrots look completely different from the dusty harvest that arrived minutes earlier. But washing is only the beginning. Now, every carrot has to meet strict quality standards.
High-speed cameras inspect color, shape, size, and surface defects in fractions of a second.
Defective pieces are automatically separated, while acceptable carrots continue down the line. Next, automated trimming machines remove the unwanted ends. Depending on the final product, precision cutters can transform whole carrots into uniform sticks. Every piece is designed to maintain consistent size and shape.
One of the most recognizable products is the baby carrot.
These small, uniform carrots are mechanically shaped and polished for a consistent appearance.
Before packaging, they pass through another quality control checkpoint. Quality control continues throughout the entire operation. Samples are checked to make sure the finished product meets food safety and quality requirements.
Temperature control is critical for keeping processed carrots fresh. After processing, products can be rapidly cooled before packaging and distribution. Now the carrots are ready for one of the fastest stages of the entire plant. Automated systems measure precise portions before each package is sealed. The packages are sealed, checked, and prepared for shipment. Within minutes, freshly processed carrots are transformed into retail-ready products. Robots take over the heavy lifting. Working continuously, Robotic systems organize finished products for distribution. Once the pallets are ready, refrigerated trucks begin the next part of the journey. From the processing plant, the carrots can travel hundreds of miles to retailers and food service customers. Eventually, the journey ends where most consumers see the product, the supermarket. From a field harvest to a finished package, the transformation is almost complete. What looks like a simple bag of carrots is actually the result of an enormous industrial process. And every stage, from harvesting to sorting, washing, cutting, and packaging, is designed to move thousands of carrots efficiently. The next time you grab a bag of baby carrots, remember, you're looking at the final result of a massive industrial operation. And that is how ordinary carrots become supermarket-ready products at industrial scale.